Today, we are going to fix one small but annoying issue on your Android phones. The status bar icons are too tiny and hard to see. I'll show you how to make them bigger and easier to read. Go to Setting, and after that, scroll down to About Phone. After that, tap on Software Information and tap on Build Number for 7 times. After that, tap back and search Developer option. Scroll down to Drawing section. Here you will see Drawing section, and after that, tap on Minimum Width. Here's the trick. If you set a smaller number like 320, everything icons text will look bigger. If you set a larger number, for example 500 or 600, things look smaller. For example 320. Here you will see much bigger, but I use 600 for example. Now you can easily adjust the size until it feels comfortable for your eyes. But what if you only want to change the font size, not the icons? Tap back and search Phone. Font. With this setting, you can adjust it. And if you want to show the battery percentage inside the icon, go to Setting, and after that, tap on Battery, and scroll down to show battery percentage. That's it. Now your icons and text will be much clearer and easier to read. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. 2 more videos are on screen right now. Go check them out.